Welcome to StoryBox. Each StoryBox magazine contains one full-length illustrated story, plus lots of extra fun, so you can keep exploring with your little one. Here are some ways you can get the most out of your StoryBox experience. Stories are very important for early childhood because they help kids develop theory of mind, the ability to understand that other people don't share the same thoughts and feelings as you, which is foundational for empathy and social understanding. Many children will immediately want to point out the things that they see on the page. If this happens, let them. Give them time to explore and notice all the little details. The illustrators have put them there to enrich the story. Interpreting facial expressions is important for understanding emotions, especially when kids are younger, since that's when they start to understand how to express their emotions and recognize it in others. Asking your child to guess the story will excite their imagination by inviting them to be creative about the world of possibilities. Develop their logical reasoning by encouraging a rational basis for their guesses. And nurture their problem-solving skills, since kids need to understand the problem in order to make a better guess about how to solve it. Comics are a visual way for kids to learn about storytelling. As they unfold more clearly across the page, the images enrich the story and encourage kids to engage with more text. Mix it up. Read it right to left or top to bottom. See what your child says about it. Comics help kids understand chronology and logical ordering. We want kids to engage their world through more than stories. This is exactly the reason why we decided to make a magazine for children. Every month, we include some real-world information to fuel their sense of wonder about the world they live in. Wonder with WizKid is a section that answers questions your little ones are asking. Topics are selected based on relevance for our little readers of 3 to 6 years old. Our editors take extra care to ensure that when they answer children's questions, it's explained in age-appropriate language so that young kids can clearly understand how it works. We believe that having fun facts in our magazines is just as important as our stories. Reading them can spark lots of interesting discussions, projects, and ideas. Wildlife comes with some very special terms. Talking about wildlife creates great opportunities to introduce some of them. For example, a pack of wolves, a flock of sheep, and a herd of oxen. StoryBox is more than a storybook. It's a wholesome magazine for kids, full of rich stories and information.